McCulloch MC1275 heavy-duty steam cleaner with 18 accessories, extra-long power cord, chemical-free pressurized cleaning for most floors, counters, appliances, windows, autos, and more, yellow/gray. Satisfaction guaranteed, backed by a 2-year hassle-free warranty and supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas. Chemical-free cleaning, naturally deep clean without the use of harsh chemicals, using hot, pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from a wide range of surfaces including ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. Large capacity tank. The 48-ounce water tank heats up in under 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of steam with optional lockable steam trigger for continuous steam cleaning. 18 versatile accessories equipped for steam cleaning jobs in and around your home, including a floor mop, mop pads, nylon brushes, brass brush, scrub pad, squeegee, and more.